What's up everybody, welcome in another episode of Aristos Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to regenerate your car's engine quite easily without need of opening it up. So the whole thing starts from here. You need a garage with a channel and you will have to check out your ECU in your car by going to some specialist from electronics if it has any errors. Mine doesn't. However, if yours needs some parts replacement or new sensors, do it before the whole process I'm going to show you here, otherwise it won't simply work. After you've done it, you need to clean and flush engine inside. To do it, you could use a siphon if you are from USA or any other country where it's possible to be get. Or if you are from another country, just use any kind of engine flush. They work very well, and don't worry about a large amount of steam going out from your exhaust system. It's just completely normal thing. There are many tutorials on YouTube how to use them, so you will find them for sure. Next step is cleaning engine outside. The point is that it will allow you to see if there are any leaks on your engine and you will have to replace some seals. I have no leaks because I've changed valve covers, sealing, and it's working very well, so there is no need for me to change any seals. After that, check out whole ignition system. That means cables or spark plugs and all other parts needs to be checked. It may have a huge impact on this how your engine is working. Now here starts the whole serious thing. You need to check out compression. Compression in my car is quite well, so I haven't been checking it out, and there will be a tutorial how to do it later. So make sure that compression is right as it's said in the manual of your car. Otherwise, you will need to open your engine and the whole process may not work because some mechanical parts are already too old and too damaged to it simply work well. If compression is right, next step is making sure that your air intake system is in a good condition and it's sealed up. Any holes or any other ways that engine may catch some air from the outside should be sealed up. Air should be catched only through air filter. I've had my throttles out already when I've been changing sealings in my car, so check out the description of the video to see how to get to them, and then you will know what's going on there. It's very important to check out if your engine's vacuum lines aren't broken. This may cause serious problem of your engine work and have huge impact also on fuel consumption. I've replaced one of them and everything is fine. How to do it? Check out your service book and you will get it and you will be able to change it out. Now if your car still has some problems with running well and ECU still didn't show anything wrong before, you may check out if fuel injection system is working well. To check it out, pull the whole fuel line out and you will see if the engine is actually having some fuel injected and if pump is pumping enough gas in the right way. Time to change oil. Together with changing it, you have to change your oil filter so there will be no old dirt getting into engine once again. I'm using General Motors 10W40 oil, however you have to check out your car's manual for finding right oil for your vehicle. After oil is changed, it's high time to put some ceramizer and also engine regenerator. After that, we'll add some special additions to fuel to make car working better. Alright, so as we finished changing oil, now the next step is putting a special regenerator to our engine. This one is from STP, and right now we are going to put the whole package into the oil of engine. So it's time to open it up. Actually, I should be doing it in the gloves, I guess. However, I didn't take them. Whatever. Don't forget to wash your hands. Okay, so time to put it on. The consistency of it is like some honey, so it's quite thick, as you can see. And you put it all into your engine. So for the start, it's engine regenerator. This one is from STP, and its main role is to enrich oil and increase its viscosity. It also makes this oil being used less. The car will have its engine much more protected, and it's saying that it doesn't only protect the engine, but also increase viscosity and increase lubrication of the engine as well. Also, it protects oil from oxidation. It also reduces accumulation of sediment and rate, as well as increased compression in my engine and engine of my car, and increases compression in the engine. So definitely something that I want to test. We'll see how it works. This one is for gasoline engines. Alright, so as we've put this one, it's time to put our ceramizer. This one is from Liquimoil. It's very well known brand. It protects engine from with ceramic compound that allows engine to run more smoothly. So you need to squeeze the cap and turn. I'm not sure if I can do that. Alright, it's coming out. And then you got here, you have to pull it off. And again, whole packet. And now it's time to take some ride, so you make sure that everything will mix up. Make sure also you won't go on high RPMs. It must take some time until everything will start to work after several kilometers. So make sure that you will have some trips and everything will be fine. Time to go. Alright, so we are at the gas station where I'm going to put a special formula to gas engines. It cleans the whole system. I'm not going to put lots of gas into my car right now, so I'm just I'm going to put 1 cup into the fuel cell. Alright, that's it. And now we are going to the next step, which is putting a special liquid, special gasoline addition. It's from Liquimoil as well, and this brand is quite well known, so I'm going to put also 1 cup of it into the fuel cell of my car. As well, 1 cup. It's on 10 liters of petrol and into fuel cell of our car. So now it's time to flush it all with some petrol. I'm going to right now use probably 98 octane gasoline, and that's it. We are on the Shell gas station, so I'm going to use Shell Power Nitro Plus. So time to fill up my tank a bit. I'm flushing right now everything that I put on. and I will make sure by this that it will be inside the tank of my car. The last thing is changing fuel filter, which is very simple. However, I will also show you a tutorial how to do it. Alright, so that's it for now. It's very simple and a very short list of things that you can do to your car to make it work better, and I'm sure that it will be quite useful. My car is working very well after that, so I really hope that it will be very helpful for you, that you will be able to do it on your driveway or in your garage, on your yard, and that it will actually help your car to work very well. I will make later some tutorials about changing oil filter and oil or some other things like that, so no worries, you will see and you will know. However, if you know already how to do it, then this tutorial for sure will be very easy for you to get, and even if you haven't, then just simply let someone do it for you. Okay, so that's it for now. See you in the next episode of Aristos Garage. Don't forget to comment, subscribe and rate. Check out the description of the video for much more links and extra stuff. Also for older video where I'm showing you how to get to your throttles, because I've been pulling some parts out, and you are able to see how to do it. Probably in your car it will be very similar. So I really hope that it helped you. Have an awesome 2016 and I wish you all the best. Check out also my Facebook fan page, there is a link in the description, and my other channels as well. Have an awesome day and take care. See you in the next episode of Aristos Garage. Bye!